Hey guys, in this lecture, we are going to finalize our lighting logo animation, and this by adding a nice background here. So first thing I'm going to do here is that I'll hit Ctrl or Command Y on keyboard to create a new solid. I'll call it background, and I'll change its color to dark gray. Then click OK. Now I'll drag the background layer to the bottom of my timeline stack here. And now I'm going to create a duplicate of this background layer. So select it and hit Ctrl or Command Z on keyboard. I'll rename it to Particles. So I'll hit Return on keyboard, type in Particles, then hit Return again. Now I'll go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for an effect called CC Particle Systems 2. Drag and drop it on the Particles layer here. I'll hide the logo layer for now so you could see the background clearly. So once the effect applied, and once you drag your time indicator over your timeline, you would see these animating particles. So here I'll drag this point to the bottom left corner like this because I want my particles to come in from this side. Now in the Effect Settings panel here, I'll open up Physics, and here I'll change the animation to Direction. I'll set the velocity to 0.5, the gravity to 0, and I'll also set the birth rate to 2. Now I'll open up the producer, set radius X and Y to 100, Great! Now I'll open up Particles and set Particles type to Faded Sphere. I'll set both the birth and death size to 0.1. And last thing I'll do here is that I'll change the birth color by clicking on this color swatch beside it. I will leave the death color as is. You are free to change it if you want to. This is according to your preference. Now this looks so good to me. So let's get the logo layer back and click on the RAM preview and see what we have so far. Perfect! Now we know how to create a wonderful lighting logo animation. I hope you are enjoying so far and learning something new. Thank you so much for watching and looking forward to seeing you next lecture.